Okay, now let's organize the colors. To do it, we go here to plugins, choose the automate color styles plugin, and here you can select between just this file or all pages in this file. Now I will use just this page because I have only one page. I click on set color styles, and we have all the colors here. Now I will give each of them one name, and let's continue. Okay, as you can see here, I named every style, and also each layer has now color style. You can see here, let's select this one. In that case, you can see that it's also stroke, get the color, the outboard. And if you want to check if everything is with styles, what you can do is to select all the artboards. And here you will see all the colors that these two artboard contains.